Oh, oh, he getting worked up.
This looks dangerous.
He getting worked up. Next he gonna push me in.
Yeah, you keep talking, you're gonna be in there now.
Yeah, stop.
Yeah, that's him right there.
Oh, you say with a bad leg.
Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah, I got the bad left knee from the army, man. Oh, he got it. He had a piece. Oh, yeah. Woo. That's a frenzy there. Ooh.
Look, I got $1 for you.
That old Fisherman commercial. Oh my goodness. I only seen this on TV. This is awesome. I only seen stuff like this on TV, guys. That's right. This is awesome. Wow.
Second thought, man, I couldn't do his job.
You ain't dangling off no boat, Kelly?
Oh, it's right there. It's on your head. It's on your head.
Oh.
Hey, no fighting. All right, you guys got some good pictures?
Yeah.
Come on over here.
Ooh. Thank you very much.
He's coming back to the other side. Shh.
All right, y'all ready? Oh, you mad? Oh, they turned me around now. They mad at me. Oh, yeah. Right on your head. Look, I got $1 for you. Look, got a picture of that.
They're gonna bite each other.
All right, look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Anybody want to take a swim?
Oh my goodness.
I actually can take a swim. They don't like that when you burp. Let's see if I can make it.
How many do you think there are?
Maybe about 15.
16. Wow. I was gonna say a dozen. Man. Got a chunk of the fish here. They ain't shy, Cal.
Let it go, buddy. Let it go. All right. Like I said, I'm gonna try and make it 15 for you.
Oh, he fishing.
He said cheese.
Yeah. Oh! Oh my God.
Man, this was great.
Think you guys got some good pictures?
Oh yeah. Thank you.
I would recommend this excursion to anybody.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Everybody gonna know Glass Bottom Boat's the best excursion.
They don't know.
Yes.
You guys are gonna be on YouTube, you know that, right?
Yeah, thank you, man. Do that.
Yes. Glass Bottom Boat.
Heck yeah, man.